What type of fire detection system gives a more complete coverage of a fire hazard? Continuous loop. And what area of an aircraft would you find a carbon monoxide detector? Cabins and cockpits, places where they are easily visible. What color does a CO detector change to when carbon monoxide fumes are present? Shade of green, other types, gray or black.
Shit not yellow anymore.
What are two types of smoke detectors? Photoelectric and visual. Where are smoke detectors used in aircraft? Lavatory, cargo area, and baggage compartments.
Don't put a flat of tires on a box of oxygen generators.
How are thermal switches wired in thermal switch fire detection systems? Parallel with each other, but in series, with the warning light. Describe the operating principles of a thermal switch fire detection system. Bimetallic thermoswitch that completes an electrical circuits at a certain temperature. It's energized by aircraft power, connected to one or more warning lights. Describe the operating principle of a continuous loop fire detection system. One or more wires embedded in a ceramic core inside of a conductive tube. Overheat conditions, the ceramic core's resistance drops, allowing current to flow, lighting a warning light. How does a thermocouple fire detection system differ from the thermal switch system? Thermocouple depends upon the rate of temperature rise when a thermal switch is a specific temperature. What are two types of fire extinguishing systems? High rate of discharge system uses halon and conventional fire systems use carbon dioxide. In a turbine engine, Freon fire extinguishing systems, how are bottles discharged? Electrically detonated, explosive discharge cartridge, squib, breaking a frangible disc. How is a Freon fire extinguishing system protected from temperature rises more than set limits? Thermal fuse. That blows a red discharge indicator disc. What type of extinguishing agent is usually found in high rate of discharge systems, HDR systems? Halon 1301, sometimes referred to as Freon 13. What is the purpose of the yellow disc in a CO2 fire extinguishing system? Indication disc that indicate bottle has been emptied through normal means. How can you determine the charge of a CO2 extinguisher? Weighing it. How does ambient temperature affect the pressure reading on a fire extinguisher? Low temperatures will decrease pressure, and high temperatures will increase pressure. What type of extinguisher is recommended for brake fires? Dry powder extinguisher. How does a photoelectric smoke detector work? Smoke particles block the photoelectric receptors from sensing light. Name the different classes of fire.
A.
Ashes, solid combustible materials.
B. Boil.
Combustible liquids.
C. Circuit.
Electrical.
D. Death metal.
Metal, such as magnesium. What type of handheld fire extinguishers are available for extinguishing interior aircraft fires? Water, carbon dioxide, dry chemical extinguishing agent. How would you determine when the next hydrostatic test is due? On a portable fire bottle? 5 years from the last test date on the DOT label.